Hello everyone, this is Namita and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Dance with Namita. I am here to teach you some belly dance moves. So from today I am going to make a tutorials for the basic steps of belly dance. I know you all love the belly dance like me. So from today I am going to teach you the basic moves of belly dance in a very easy way. So today I am going to teach hip twist. How to do it? Let's begin. For the hip twist, how you have to stand. Stand properly, comfortably and keep your hands beside your body, legs parallel to the ground. And for the hip twist, what you have to do? You have to move your left hip to the right side. 1. And right hip to the left side. 2. So move your hip side to side. I am moving my left hip to the right side and right hip to the left side. So this is the continuous movement. You have to move your hip and don't move your chest and hands. And left hip is moving towards the right side and right hip is moving towards the left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now you have to do this movement with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we have to do this on music. Okay, let's try it on music. So I am going to do this hip twist 4 times to my right side and 4 times to my left side. Let's start. Let's try it. So thanks for watching my video and try to connect with me because I am going to make more tutorials for you that includes the belly dance moves and you can learn with me and you can practice with me. So keep watching, keep dancing and keep practicing. Bye.